Hell to the Commanders. I messed that all up. We actually somewhere near Baltimore. My bad. All right, my people, we have arrived. I think here we got 3 to do. All right, so one is like a 98 inch. I think we got a 55, and then I think we got a 65 or something like that. But let's go inside, see what we got. 98. This one is being replaced by that 98 inch upstairs. We gotta go get that 98. Okay. Oh, you can move that by yourself. You got it. I was just joking. Look, right, so we got that mug down here though. Man. Look, now the scar on the wall. That was working, you see it? Man, all right, let's get back to it. All right, TV up there. I got a hole. All right, quick tip when you're doing a 98 inch TV, one thing you're gonna notice that these VESA patterns are pretty long. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so a traditional one, if you put it there, right, you see how the bottom doesn't reach? So you will need tilt bracket for that, mainly because of that, okay? Mainly for the height. That's just something to keep in mind. Okay, it's up there, baby. Good God almighty. 98 there. Y'all see all that? Good grief. Good gracious. 98. Man, oh man. On to the next. Y'all know what it come down to. Bubble juice.
You do too much, you're not even comfortable on your own birthday.
Bubble juice, bubble juice. We'll take it. All right, TV. Gotta come down. All right, we got new TVs going up. Pew. Pew.
Oh, why are we here?
I go one. And the second one. All right. One more to go. All right, so last one. Wow. We gotta swap it out with this. Wow. All right, let's do it. Okay, where the TV go? Oh, there it is. There's the new one. All right, y'all. We all wrapped up there. That was a lot. My fault. I forgot to show you the last one, but you get it. 65 inch TV on the wall. You know what it is. All right, real quick. That was another 6 that we added to the kitty. So that put us at 700 for the day on a goal of 325. So that put us at about 5,320% the target. What do you think about that? Okay. We on to the next. Southeast DC. We on the way. See you soon.